Przewalski's wild horse, or Takhi, or Mongolian wild horse, is famous that went extinct in the wild and has now been restored. But I'm here at Hustai National Park, and there's a lovely group of them over here, more over here, coming up over the hills. The horses you see here look very much like the ancient cave paintings. But although they look similar, they've done genetic analyses of the DNA of horses of the same period in the same caves and show that actually they're not Przewalski wild horses. The horses in Europe are genetically different. So it seems there's a sort of general wild horse appearance that they have. And you can see, compared to domesticated horses, they're stubbier, they've got shorter legs, and they've got this characteristic pattern. The genetics of these is complicated. It seems about 5,000 years ago in Central Asia, they domesticated the wild horses, and then these horses are then descendants of the that domesticated population. So, and then presumably at one time these occurred in the steppe area across Mongolia. So there's probably huge numbers at one time. But they got rarer, and by 1969 the last one occurred because they're being heavily exploited. And so, but thankfully, there was a number in captivity in zoos, but actually they did really badly in captivity. And then biologists looked at the problem, and they showed that the real problem was that, that they were getting inbred because each zoo had a small population, and they bred within that group, and then those became genetically inbred, and the reproduction rate was very low because of inbreeding. And so then, and this got serious, it got down to 12 individuals. One who had died, but the tissue was kept in the frozen zoo, and then the DNA was extracted and inserted into an egg with artificial insemination, and then 2 clones were made of the dead horse. So the secret to conserving this species has been to maintain the genetic variation and to stop inbreeding by deciding exactly who would breed with who of the 12 remaining individuals. And then this has been a huge success, and then these have been released. So here at Hustai National Park, there's about 350. Elsewhere in Mongolia, there's another 250. And there are other horses kept in various places around the world. So this, that without careful assessment of the genetics, would have gone extinct. And it's fabulous having these in the wild in this wonderful habitat.